We're gonna head down to Miami today. Blake is gonna grace us with his presence. He's gonna actually come and do something for once. So we're gonna go down to Vossen. We're gonna go see our boy KJ. He's gonna give us a nice little factory tour of the whole facility, check everything out, see how they, you know, design the wheels, build the wheels, everything like that.
Mike, what are we doing today?
Going to Vossen, gonna see our boy KJ. He's gonna give us a quick tour of the Vossen facility, so we're gonna see the production, the media. We're gonna see exactly how they do things.
How are you? Good to see you. Nice to meet you.
What's up, boss? Mike. How you doing?
What's up, boss? Mike. Probably know Eldred Taylor. So this is our media room, basically. Jordan's one of our photographers. You know, a lot of times you see cars. We will shoot on our website. Check this out. We've got some new center caps we're launching for 2018. So basically, it's like a two-piece cap. You'll be able to order in like whichever color bezel you want.
This is shot in our studio. We basically have this, but like 35 feet.
Okay.
So that's what the car looks like in the studio.
Oh wait, that's really cool.
Yeah, so it's pretty insane. So this is what we did so far. Now we've been like experimenting with the lighting and everything. So
This is where all the magic really happens. Design, engineering, testing. Doesn't matter if it's a cast wheel, forged wheel, flow form wheel. We do testing on everything now. If we're building a 20-inch 5x112 wheel, it's gonna go on say Mercedes and Audi.
Yeah.
We make sure we test that wheel to fit the load rating for everything from a C class to an A8.
Give us a tour. Give us a tour.
Alright, so here we have our warehouse and our factory. Our warehouse goes super deep.
Damn.
We've got about 30,000 wheels in stock.
30,000?
Yeah, it's about 7,000 sets of wheels.
jeez.
And then just our monoblock forgings, we have the largest inventory for monoblock forgings than any other company. Over 2,000 pieces. I'm sorry.
This man just said he has 30,000 wheels here.
30.
30,000 wheels.
That's insane.
Jeez, that's very rare. We don't have something in stock for your car.
I was gonna say, this is rows and rows of wheels, huh?
Dude, I would just come back here and just like climb up these giant shelves.
So basically here we're just deburring the wheel. Once it comes out of the machine, it's a little rough between the edges, and by hand we have to deburr it and get it smooth basically. In here we're basically doing again prep work, final prep work before it goes into powder coating. Not really brushing, but again it's getting in between the spokes. Stuff that can't be done by a machine, it's got to be done by hand. Yeah, this is our pre-treatment area. Basically, after the wheels are done being machined, it goes through the cleaning process, make sure there's no excess particles or materials on it. Once they're cleaned off, we powder coat, and then it goes into our oven here. Whenever we're making our forged wheels, it's the best possible process. Again, it goes through a proper cleaning process to make sure the powder coat adheres to the wheel better, and that basically allows us to know that we're gonna have a good long lifespan or longevity on the finish. Everything. They have 30,000 wheels in stock, and what they do is they'll produce 25 sets a day, and then they'll bring them all out here. This is where they get lined up for all the finishing and everything.
The last final stages before they send them out right here. All the inspection right here. All right, so the last step in all of it after powder coat, after everything, they bring the wheel back over here. They got all the lights on it. They get the microscopes. They go over this thing and check out every little fine detail to make sure it's up to it's up to par for them.
How you doing? It's KJ here from Vossen Wheels, International Sales Manager. We are based here in Miami, Florida. If you guys need any wheels from us, make sure to hit us up, or our boys at Eldred.
Did you only get one chapstick?
Yeah!
Dude, I'm not gonna share a chapstick with you. Are you kidding me?
I'm not gonna pay for your chapstick either. What do you
I
think?
paid for your freaking coffee this
Right,
morning. You
what
carved
about
your almond milk caramel macchiato. Whatever.
This is why I bought him a Red Bull. I have a really funny idea for like a shot.
Red Bull gives you wings.